This is a CNC 36 with a 1-inch SAE shaft. We're now installing a new GORI 15-inch diameter 3-blade with overdrive propeller. The shaft taper and key way have been checked for nicks and dings and cleaned. Key, we've checked the fit. There's no nicks and dings. First, we will now check that the hub cone fits the taper. There is no movement, and we've noted on the front edge where it fits. Now install the key, making sure that it does not ride up on the forward end of the keyway, and slide the hub cone on. It's gone to the same mark, so we know that the key is not riding high, i.e. that the key is not binding the fit to the taper. Check that the nut fits the thread. In this case it does. Sometimes it'll be a tight fit, just depending on the machining tolerance of the shaft thread versus the nut thread. Now that we've done the dry fit, place the key in, push the jacket on, and it comes back to the same spot as we had without the key, so the key is not riding high. And now we'll install the nut. In this case, this is a 1-inch SAE shaft, 3/4 10 nut, so the torque is 72 foot-pounds. With your torque wrench, now tighten. Now slide the blade assembly onto the hub cone, and now apply grease to the threads and screw up the jacket. The jacket will screw up by hand to within about 1/2 to 3/4 of a hole out for the jacket bolts. Now with a C-spanner, tap down to align the holes, and now get the 3 cap head bolts and apply Loctite to them and set them in place. Apply the GORI supplied Loctite to the cap head bolt threads and screw it. Do the same to all 3. GORI supplies the forward collar zinc with the Allen wrench and with the set screws. And the Loctite. Apply the Loctite to the set screws and screw the. This will ensure that the anode stays in contact with the GORI hub at all times, even when it's corroded. The propeller comes fully assembled with the blades and with the aft anode, which again has an insert locking it in place. Flexible stops. This is the position it will always be in when you're sailing.